Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Snapchat. Then go to your account. Now press on your settings. Now scroll down and go to language. From here you can change your language. That's it. So this is how to change language in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.